With a common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, what's going on? I think we're set here, ready to go. Hasta la vista, Ben. What's going on, Ben? RJ, Jimmy, Truth. One day, finally getting a sell-off like I've been looking for in stocks and crypto, so kind of wanted to go over that, give an update. We held up a few days, maybe a little bit longer than I thought we would, but it looks like we've turned lower now. What up, Rudolph, Kerry? So that's why I wanted to go live. So first, let's jump into the stocks here. We've got the SPY chart. You can see the red dot at the top. That was the actual sell signal on the 26th, which was Thursday. Looking for some type of pullback here. The technometer is 46.5 now, so it looks like, you know, we got a few days, I think, lower here. So we're going to watch that. If I bring up like my Wyckoff wave, which is kind of like a Dow Jones Industrial type index, you can see same thing here. We had an extreme overbought technometer, lower right, marked in the red circle. We're starting to come off of that, but again, we have to see some type of downside. So we will look for that. If we go to Bitcoin chart, same thing I've been showing here on social media and on these broadcasts. We had the jump, we had the red sell signal around 22.7 on some trading positions we had from 18.3. So we still got our hodl bags, but we're looking for some type of backup here. Didn't look like we'd get it last night, but today some selling coming in here this afternoon. Again, that's why I wanted to go live. So looking for a backup, maybe around that 21.9, 22 level, 21.8, somewhere back in there. Technometer, I'd like to see it back down to green oversold, which was our last two buy points. So hopefully we can get something back down. We're 44 neutral. So let's look for something lower here again, probably the rest of this week. And then we'll see what we can get. What's up, Doug W? Chris, Rudolph. Now let's go to, I got a trading view chart here. Let's go to the Elliott wave count. This is the count that I've been showing. Let me get that chart so we can see it. I've been calling for the purple 5 waves ending. On the Ethereum chart, I think we did that the other day. That was a green red 3 that ended. I was looking for a green wave 4, down again, down to around 1480 was a number I was throwing around. We almost touched that a little bit ago, but I still think, once again, a little more downside. Looks like if you zoom in Elliott wave, we had an ABC down, an ABC back up, and probably going to do an a B wave here, and then a C wave down in a few days. That's what we'll look for, and then still higher prices. Obviously, there's other ways to count this. We could have finished 5 waves up and mix it a little deeper ABC, but we'll monitor that as we go. Here's the Bitcoin chart, which is kind of showing what I just mentioned. Possibly we're in something like this. So we're in the middle of the wave 4, or you could come over and say that that we're still in the middle of large wave 3 up, so we still got higher to go, much higher before a bigger ABC. So again, we'll monitor that. I think we're in the middle of a correction. We'll look for it to work lower, and then we'll reevaluate what we're looking at. Let's go back to the Bitcoin chart. Not much difference here if you throw up the Ethereum USD chart. Go to the 6 month. Again, we had that sell around 1547. We had a sell of 1657 on another trading position that we had. So again, we're looking for a pullback on trading positions, something back here, 1450, 1480, not sure yet. Technometer 43.5. So once again, we need some downside. It won't take much here, but we'll see what we get. Normally, I'd go through a few stock ideas here. I mean, let me look at a few here if people don't know. Much about Wyckoff. Wyckoff SMI, the original institute started by Mr. Wyckoff. I had a few charts here. Let me throw up just a few stock charts real quick. Here is one. I've already got these marked up, so let's hold on, give me a second. I got quite a few windows open as always. Here's some charts that we're looking at. CELH looks like it already had a jump and a backup and a normal 50% correction. We had new lows in the OP, which is intraday volume, while price is holding, as shown by the purple. That one looks like it has higher to go. Could be a leader of the next bull market. Flex, FLEX. Another one here. Same type of thing. We're looking for jump and backups. So FLEX is one of those. IRDM is one that I've shown before. Let's look at it. Same thing, a jump and a backup, then another jump and a backup. I keep getting the green dot oversold technometers that have picked out various lows. Just had that again Friday. Here's a new one I just added, PODD. Same type of thing, looks like a jump and a backup. WERN, the trucker, Werner. That's all I'm going to show on stock charts currently. I might go live later in the week, be a little more stock orientated. Again, there's a sign of strength, last point of support, I believe, and a jump in progress. So that's something to look at. Let me cancel some of these out here real quick. My camera's in the way. While we're here, let's show the NASDAQ real quick, because it's one that had been leading the rally. Got the sell signal Thursday on it, like all these markets. Technometer back to 45.4. So again, looks like some type of a correction here next, let's just say the rest of this week. We got the Fed talking Wednesday and Thursday, so that's going to be a problem. So I think we're going to have some selling coming into there. I think the Fed wants to throw a little water on this rally. They're not wanting speculation to get out of control here. So I think that's probably what's happening today is Fed's going to talk the markets down a little bit and might give us the buy signal that we want before we turn back higher. Let's go back to crypto. We got a few people in here. Anybody got any quick crypto charts they want to look at? Let's roll through a couple here. Let's look at SOL real quick. I will show XRP, Marco. 43.5 on SOL. I mentioned before we need something down here. It'd be nice to see that 20, 30 level maybe taken out on a scare. I think that'd be a buy point. So we'll watch SOL, technometer neutral. Let's look at XRP. I mentioned I'm having a little bit of trouble on consolidated charts out of 100 plus exchanges. My guys finally from the Ukraine are looking into that. So we'll give them a chance to fix that here in the next couple days. Here's XRP. Again, kind of looks like 5 ways up off the low in the midst of a correction. Technometer 41.5. The last buy, as you can see, was the day of the low down here at 33. The last strong buy, let's add that to the chart here. My main charts I usually marked up, again, are not working correctly. So we'll go back to them, hopefully the next couple days. Again, XRP, I've been mentioning on some of these, BNB, etc. Litecoin, we need an ABC pullback. Won't take much to get XRP back to a buy reading. So let's look at that, see if we can get that. Litecoin I posted on my Twitter, showing that it's in a markup phase, but looking for an ABC pullback. I tweeted that, I believe, yesterday late afternoon, I believe it was. Technometer 44.7. Again, looks like we need something back down here. Maybe take out that 81.60 level. Definitely take out that 85.35 level. Give us some type of ABC pullback. You're welcome, Marco. BNB, I had a trading position on. Took that off last night at 318 for the Discord. Patreon.com/learncrypto, 40 bucks a month to get Nick and I's trades, updates, stops, etc. So BNB, same type of thing. 294 would be the first level to take out. Maybe a scare of 281. We'll wait and see. Technometer neutral. All these things are going to be basically neutral. H bar, let me see. See if I can show a good chart on this one. A little weaker in the last week or so. Same type of thing, I would think, with a little bit more weakness, maybe come back down. Try looks like a previous fourth wave down around 53.50. Technometer neutral. The last buys were down there at 4.25 and around 4. H bar again, support would be 53.5 or so. Let's look for that possibly. Link, Tether, Binance, JJ the Fed. We've got some hodl positions from higher as well, but we started giving buys on Bitcoin back at 1,200. Mortgage a house at 37.50. You name it. So this is Link, 6-month chart. Went down and did that spring down around 550. Same type of thing. I would think 650 is going to get busted. 6.25 might be looked at. Technometer 43 neutral. Most of these charts are looking the same. Litecoin stronger, Bitcoin stronger. Still like the way Ethereum acts. JP, let's give you a managing blue wrench. Same with JJ. All right, that's done. What else we need to look at here? Matic, one that we took a scratch on. It perked up without me the other day. So looking some again, looks like support's down there around 98, 99. Technometer 46.16. Should have some lower downside in that one. APT is not going to be in my system. I will get that added. Once my developers fix my issue. So can't do APT right now. What up, Frank? So again, anybody just getting in here, let's go back to the Elliott wave count. I do throw Elliott wave on crypto. I don't do it much on stocks. Crypto, I think it's been tried to be helpful. This is a count that I've been showing for the last 2 weeks. I think we're in a green wave 4 here, and then we'll keep heading to the upside. A couple different ways you could have said this. You could have said that the green 5 already ended. We're in the middle of a bigger ABC. But for now, crypto's acting so well that I think we're going to keep subdividing higher. So we'll watch for that. Ben here is Doji, Tether, Binance. A little sideways here, a little underperformance. Not one that I'd be too excited about. Technometer's neutral. The last buy was December 18th, down there 7 and change. Let's add that, see if we can get something back down. 44 neutral again, so not much to add on Doji. I would look for again, I would have to think Doji could come down and take out that 0.0779, scare a few people short term. FTM USDT, I think I should have that for Binance. Now this chart, obviously much better. I'd be a buyer of this on a pullback. Looks like here we'd hit new lows on the OP while price was holding. So that 20 levels, huge support, but we're not going to get back down there, I don't think at all. So technometer 46. Anything down around 39, I probably would say I'd be a nibbler at on FTM. Let me run a disclaimer. I am a registered investment advisor. I do manage stock assets at Schwab, crypto with trading APIs. So let me run my disclaimer so I stay out of trouble.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
All right, that's out of the way. Again, in a minute, I'll run a ad for the crypto Discord, patreon.com/learncrypto. I think all the $30 slots are taken. It's $40 a month. As Kerry just said, we manage stock assets at Charles Schwab. Anybody want to try that out? Quarterly fee as we go. Same with crypto. So I guess to wrap up, anybody new in here, let me go back to the SPY chart. The SPY ETF, you can see here, the red cells have definitely given us pullbacks. So we're on that one from Thursday. Technometer above neutral. I think you got to have 3 or 4 days down here. We got the Fed talking. So I think a little bit of pressure this week. I think that applies pressure to crypto. And we'll get those wave 4 pullbacks in crypto. And then we'll see stocks and crypto head back higher. I'm still pretty bullish looking out next year or two. Once we get the Fed out of our way. And it looks like maybe they're... the markets say they're going to lower rates later this year. The markets will dictate what happens. I don't think the Fed will. The Fed's job boning us, but I think they're going to be done raising here. So again, I think stocks will work higher. Try to be on those stocks ready to lead the next rally up. And same with some of these cryptos. Hopefully Nick will find some of the smaller cap gems that'll give us some bigger gains. And we'll go from there. So going to run some commercials. This next one is about the Discord again. Patreon.com/learncrypto. I'll run probably a couple other ones, and then we'll possibly be here tomorrow. So if that's it, I'm out of here. All right.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/LearnCrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
I gotta remember, I gotta get back to some of my sounds here. We got all them working again. Gotta work on a couple things here. That'd be the audio from the Cork Blaster. What's up, Bud Time? I think we got everything working correctly.
Bye!
Whoa, stop right there.
All right, guys, that's all. Again, a couple more commercials and catch you tomorrow probably.
LearnCrypto.io. Are you trading or investing in the fast-moving and exciting cryptocurrency markets? If so, you need to learn how to identify primary trading opportunities by implementing the Wyckoff trading method. This method was created by world-renowned stock speculator Richard D. Wyckoff and has been educating traders for 90-plus years. This course teaches you all you need to know to increase your returns while minimizing your risk using the Wyckoff trading method. Over 1,000 plus students have enrolled in the course since its launch in late 2017. Let's hear what some of the graduates had to say about the course. Craig says, "This is a great course for the crypto trader. I have found it written in an easy to understand format and thorough in its content." BTC Capital says, "I have tried to study TA for a few years, but until I purchased this course, I had been floundering." LearnCrypto.io is owned and powered by WyckoffSMI.com, the original institute started by Mr. Wyckoff in 1931. Enroll today in our cryptocurrency course, and you will receive lifetime access to our current 24 lessons as well as new ones we add. Also gain access to our course group at LearnCrypto.io to talk with Mr. Butterfield, as well as other students as you proceed with your studies. You will also receive 1 free month to our Patreon Discord paid group, as that is where we give our personal trade setups to our members. This is the only place where you can gain access to our proprietary indicators known as the Optimism Pessimism Index, the Force Index, and the Technometer. Take advantage today of this excellent course and begin reaping the rewards of a time-tested method from the grandfather of technical analysis, Richard D. Wyckoff. To get the best experience, download our Learn Crypto app and get started today.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.